guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix any iPhone not charging. The phone running out battery and you plug the charger, nothing happens, you make very trouble. So guys, first of all, power off your iPhone and quickly release up down button and hold power button. Power off your iPhone and normally on your iPhone. Enter your password and check again your cable connected. If not connected, check out your charging cable and adapter. Cable and adapter issue be known your cable and adapter. Clean your iPhone cable and adapter and port. That last method, repair your iPhone with reboot on laptop. And after this, and check your issue. And connect it with charging. If connected, your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.